how to find apps that uses the most mobile data usage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections. And in here, scroll down and tap on data usage. After that, we scroll down and then tap on mobile data usage. Then in here, go down to the bottom part and it will display a list of all the apps that uses mobile data usage. The one that uses the most data will be displayed from the top, and as we progress down the list, it will show apps that uses less mobile data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.